In this video, I'd like to show how to recover an entire volume from a CCC backup. So in this scenario, let's suppose that my Photos disk failed and I had to replace that with a new device. Or maybe I got a larger disk and I want to recover the backup to the new disk. So to restore this backup, I'll open CCC and click the Restore button in the toolbar. Next, I will choose that Photos backup volume as the source and the Photos volume as the destination, and then start the task, and now CCC will restore that entire backup onto the Photos volume. Alright, now my restore task is complete. If we open up Photos in the Finder, we can see that its content now matches the Photos backup volume. Now the two little points here to clean up. We don't need to keep this restore task any longer, so let's go ahead and delete that. And I also want to go back to my Photos backup task and configure it to start backing up that new Photos volume. When you select that task, CCC is going to notice, hey, there's another volume named Photos. Do you want to use that as the source for this task? And that is the correct source, so we'll choose yes and save the task, and now that task is configured to back up the new Photos volume to that same Photos backup disk. Click the link below for more videos on how to restore content from your CCC backup. And remember, if you ever need help restoring content from your CCC backup, we're here to help. Open CCC and choose Ask a Question about CCC, and our support staff will help you get things set up correctly.